Alright, we're going to be opening up this Mainstay handheld battery operated milk frother that I got at Walmart. I will put the links in the description below. You're going to need batteries, of course. This is the battery setup I got from Walmart. They're rechargeable. Comes in a nice little carrying case, so I'm able to take it with me. So if you guys want, I'll put the link for that in the description below too. It charges through Type-C port. But we're going to go ahead and open up this handheld frother wand and get these batteries going. Hopefully this video helps you guys out on putting the batteries in. As simple as it may be, if you look inside of it, it doesn't really tell you which side is positive and which side is negative. So here's the wand itself. It's a dual wand frother. Some of them have single. This one has dual. Hopefully you guys can see this. Alright. And it's a single push button. You have to hold it down while you're frothing. Once you let go of the button, it stops. Alright. So take that back plate off. What you want to do is hold this little material to the left like that. And then put the first battery in, positive side up, push it all the way down. And then you want to take that little pull tab to the side, to the right. And then this one you're going to put it upside down. So the negative will be on the top. And what that does is that little pull tab helps you get the batteries out next time you go to change it. So here I go testing it out. As soon as you let go, it stops, and you push it and it spins. Very, very amazing. If you're frothing something, here's the pull tab real quick. You pull it out and both batteries come out. If you're frothing something or mixing it up and it doesn't froth right, chances are, had it happen to me, chances are your batteries are low. So put a fresh set of batteries in there and see if it froths a little bit better. Alright, so once again, first battery, positive side up. Pull tab from the left to the right, and this one positive side goes down, so the negative will be facing up. And there you have it. Put the back cover on. For the price of this, amazing. And it has definitely been a game changer. I've been starting to post shorts of me making drinks. Check it out, trying new things. Hopefully you guys can support it, and let me know if you guys want me to make full-length drinking videos. That way you guys can see how I make my morning coffee and my matcha. See you guys on the next one. All right, later.